In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email signature in minutes using Gmail. Email signatures can be a powerful tool for creating a professional impression and conveying important contact information. Whether you're a professional wanting to keep your communications polished or someone who likes to add a personal touch to every email, setting up a signature in Gmail is simple and quick. So let's dive in. To begin, open your Gmail account. Once you've logged in, look towards the upper right hand corner of your screen. There you'll see an icon that looks like a gear. This is the settings icon. Click on it to access the settings menu, which is your gateway to numerous customization options for your Gmail account. Next, you'll want to click on See All Settings. This option is available in the drop down menu that appears once you click the settings icon. Selecting it will take you to the full settings page. It's here that you'll find all the advanced options to customize your Gmail experience. Now we're going to look for the signature section. To do this, scroll down the page. You should find it within the General tab, among other options that let you tweak email settings to fit your needs. Once you've reached this section, the next step is to look for and click on the Create New button. Upon selecting Create New, you'll be prompted to type a name for your signature. This is useful if you plan on creating multiple signatures for different purposes or email accounts. Enter a distinct, easily recognizable name for your signature and proceed. In the message field that appears, type your desired signature. This is where you can get creative. You can include your name, position, company, and any other information you deem pertinent. Gmail's rich text editor lets you customize fonts, colors, and even add links to enhance the signature's appearance. If you'd like to add a visual element to your signature, you're in luck. Gmail allows you to insert images directly into your signature. To do this, click on the Insert Image icon, which you can find in the Formatting menu. You can upload an image from your computer, insert a URL, or use an image from your Google Drive. Once you've finalized the look and content of your signature, be sure to click Save Changes at the bottom of the settings page. This step is crucial, otherwise all your hard work might get lost when you exit the page. To see your signature in action, start by clicking on Compose to create a new email. In the email composition window, find the Insert Signature icon, which typically displays next to the formatting tools. Click on it, and a list of your saved signatures will appear. Select the one you've just created, and voila! Your new signature will automatically populate at the end of your email. And there you have it, your personalized email signature ready to go in Gmail, enhancing every message you send with a touch of professionalism or personal flair.